Sculptra is injected into the skin to diminish facial wrinkles. It contains PLLA, which acts as a collagen stimulator, helping to gradually restore fullness to facial wrinkles and folds. This results in a softer and more youthful appearance. You may notice immediate results, but it can take a few months to see the full results of your treatment. Dr. Cho holds zero complication record for his over 20 years career. This procedure requires highly skilled, experienced, qualified specialists, dermatologists to prevent complications.